floor gets so slanted. All right, I think we're back. Yes, family, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another fire skipping tutorial. Guys, it has been a while, man. If you are an OG subscriber or follower of this channel, you remember this backdrop, and we're gonna be back here for a little while, guys. A lot to catch up on. I've been a little bit quiet on the channel, but promise you today we are back, okay? And for 2026, I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna get you guys flying bossy as we have done for the last 10 years plus, all right? So today we're gonna be showing you a very cool skipping drill to get you guys away from just basic crossovers, all right? So if you're feeling like your crossovers are feeling a little bit mundane, a little bit boring, I'm gonna make sure that you guys can now improve your coordination, improve your balance, and also just improve your skill set with a skipping rope. So gonna get straight into it, guys. Remember, if you're new to the channel, you don't know what the hell is going on, make sure you hit the links down below. I'm gonna give you guys a special discount code, right, on all my skipping ropes, right? We've got so many lines of jump ropes available for you, apparel, workout mats. If you use VIP30, guys, I'm giving you 30% off on all our merch online. So please use this code. It's exclusive just for YouTube right now. Just a little thanks for all your help and your support during 2025. We're gonna crush 2026, man. This is my 11th year now on YouTube, which is crazy. And yeah, we're just back with the nostalgic feels. If you guys are, like I said, OG followers here of RA, and you're joining, or you have already started your skipping journey, you'll know just how important this place and this setup has been for me, all right? So everything started here, we're gonna continue being here, and yeah, man, we're gonna make sure that we crush 2026. So folks, this is the drill I'm gonna be teaching you today, okay? So it's gonna be very simple to understand, very difficult to execute when you first start off, right? I'm gonna be teaching you basically how to move from your normal crossovers, which is something like that. You can do it with a boxer step. You can of course do it with a run skip, so that's a normal crossover. And now what I'm gonna be teaching you is basically going into a one-legged crossover, but it's with a little twist, right? Because I have shown this move before on the channel. I'm gonna teach you in a ladder drill. I think the most difficult aspect of this move is actually trying to get your brain to make sure you time the jump, also get the crossovers done accurately, because any kind of shifting, any kind of movement, if you're not balanced, and say you sway a little bit, you're gonna trip, right? That was a little mini sort of sway that I tried to do there. But say you are in the flow and you move off a little bit, you will trip, okay? So it's gonna teach you to make sure that when you are trying to jump on one leg, we're trying to stay in the same spot, okay? So the ladder drill will help you improve, right, over time. So what you're gonna try and do is we're gonna get into the move, and what you can do actually is you can sort of start the cross with your normal boxer step. Then when you start to feel comfortable, you're just gonna raise a knee up just so that you start to get used to the idea of just jumping on one leg. Now, the reason, again, why you might struggle is because you're not engaging your core enough. So it's very important that we use our core in every single skipping move, okay? So if you're new, or if you're a beginner, this is a massive takeaway from today's video, is you need to feel like if someone was to stand in front of me and just give me a little jab, okay? I'm feeling like I'm preparing my body, my core, my abs for that punch, okay? So that's what it feels like when I'm trying to engage my core, especially when I'm skipping. So you won't be able to see it on camera here, but everything just feels taut. It just feels like there's a little bit of pressure there, okay? And what that helps you do is it helps you engage it, okay? It helps you build the core muscle. If you sort of start skipping and it's all a bit loose, things jiggling around and all that sort of sorts, it's just not gonna get you the most out of your workouts. So when you start to engage the core, that naturally starts to give you more balance straight away, okay? So again, you can't see it on camera, but this is all nice and tight. All right, guys, so let me quickly take you through the ladder drill, okay? It's not complex. What you're gonna just try and remember is we're doing this via reps, okay? So one crossover is one rep. So that's a rep. So then when it comes to jumping on one leg, one rep on one foot, and then you're gonna go 2 reps, okay? 1, 2. And again on the other foot, 1, 2. And then 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. As you get better at this, like kind of going up the ladder, down the ladder, you start to realize that you're building your stamina, you're building your endurance naturally, okay? If you trip, I want you to start back at 1. When it comes to the technical aspects of the crossover, folks, Again, you just need to remember, we're not crossing at the wrist, we're trying to cross close to the elbows as possible. What that helps us do is gives us a nice wide cross, okay? So if you cross at the wrist, arc is too narrow, you're likely to trip. Very difficult, all right? Unless you're using long handled ropes. For your crosses, you're just feeling like you're hugging yourself, okay? The next thing with crossovers is we need to utilize our wrists. So the wrists are really important. You need to feel nice, light grip pressure and flowy wrists. If you can get yourself to understand that if your thumbs turn behind you like this, okay, we're giving ourselves a nice big arc to jump through, right? If your thumbs tend to face out like this, the arc is too narrow, right? So guys, if you're gonna utilize a drill in 2026, make it this one. Trust me, it'll build everything you need for a better jump rope game. It'll make sure that your core's stronger than ever, and make sure that you shred weight and have fun with your skipping ropes. All right, so that's a quick one for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up this video. It really helped me. Drop me a comment as well. I know I've been a little bit quiet over the last few months. Loads to catch up on, like I said. Remember, use the code VIP30. That is just exclusive for you guys watching at home or wherever you are today. 30% off everything, all our ropes, all our apparel, all the workout mats, everything, okay? And guys, I really appreciate you. Hope you have a good start to 2026. Make sure you're crushing it with your jump ropes. And yeah, fly bossy as always. I'll see you in the next video. So take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.